Hello, this is Accounting on Excel with Amaka Ifeibunando, the Excel coach. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy a data range excluding hidden rows in Excel. First, we'll hide all rows with yellow fill. So let's go to the database. Hide all rows with yellow fill. So to select all the rows with yellow fill, you select the first row, press your control key down while you select the rest. Good. Your control key down, then select the rest. After you've done that, right click, then click on hide. Good. All the rows with yellow fill are now hidden. So the next thing is to use the normal method to copy and paste. We'll copy and paste using the normal way. So copy the range, select the range, use the normal copy. You can press this or you say Control C. Control C. Good. So we'll go to our sheet 2 to paste. This is the where we'll paste for the normal copy and paste. Control V. Wow, now you can see what happened. You notice that even the rows that are hidden are pasted, and this is not what we want, right? So let's go to the second method, and the second method is copy and paste after selecting the data range using the shortcut code Alt semicolon. So let's go back to our database, select the range. To copy only the visible cell, press your Alt key, then semicolon. Now, you notice that only the visible cell, notice what just happened. You see some rows showing that only the visible cell is selected. So you press Ctrl C to copy, right? Go to your sheet 2. Here, we'll paste the copied cell. So you use this to paste just the visible rows or the visible cell range. Good. Now you can see this is what we want. So notice that only the visible cell range is pasted, excluding the hidden rows. So the next method, which you can also use to paste only visible cell range, excluding hidden rows, is to go to the special option. So let's go back to our database, right? So first of all, you select this data set. Under the Home tab, you come to the Editing section. You see the Find and Select option. Click on the drop down. You go select the Go to Special. Go to Special. You notice the visible cells only. Select this option and click OK. This option selects only the visible cell. Right. Notice what happened. You see the same effect when we applied the shortcut code Alt semicolon. You see that only the visible cell is selected. Now you can press your Ctrl C to copy, go to sheet 2 and paste it on this section where we get the result of the go to special option. Select this and click on the paste option, and there we go. So you can use either this or this to copy and paste cells that are visible, excluding the hidden rows. I believe you have gotten value from this. If you have, please kindly like this video, share to as many that you know that will benefit from this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification button in order to get notified whenever I upload new value tips on this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.